Hi everybody, my name's Allie Virtue. I'm a functional medicine nutritionist and the owner of Parkside Nutrition, and today we're at All In Meals with Devon and Hamilton.
I'm Devon Grogans, IFBB Pro and owner of Next Level Physique.
I'm Hamilton, owner of All In Meals.
All right, Hamilton, you saw us trying our best to help our clients out, order healthy when they're out and about from Chipotle. But what sets you apart as far as a meal prep service from the average meal prep service?
Yeah, the main thing that we're going to focus on is quality of ingredients. So sourcing local ingredients, making sure they're fresh. We have a lot of buying power now that we've grown a lot, and so we're able to leverage that to keep pricing at a more affordable rate while still sourcing really high quality ingredients. Next is going to be variety. We're always pushing the limits. We were just saying earlier how we're just trying to continue to increase the menu size. And then we also have the variety of macro differences in each meal. So let's say you're somebody that's bulking, we have an athlete size available where you can get up to over 1,000 calories per serving. And then if you're somebody that's right in the middle, typically I actually range with the regular size. That's going to range anywhere from 450 all the way to 650 calories. It's great. Devon and I, decently sized guys, we actually stick with those a lot. And then there's the lean size where if you're trying to stay in the 250 to 450 calorie range, those are going to be great for you. And then we also have low carb options for those who are trying to, kind of cut a little bit of the carbs. So we have a lot of variety going on.
Hey friend, thanks so much for watching this video. I wanted to let you know this video is sponsored by Parkside Nutrition and specifically the community program. This is a super affordable program and it's accessible to everybody. Very simple, easy to follow, fits any lifestyle. So make sure you check it out at parksidenutrition.com. Now back to the video.
The next thing is going to be the protein source as well as the protein amount. So a lot of people will consider and say, hey, if I'm going out to eat, I can probably get a meal for a little bit more expensive, but it feels like a lot more food.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of that comes down to just where we're sourcing the meat and then also the amount of protein that we're using. So the protein per $1 is best in town. We can guarantee that. And then last but not least is just going to be the local aspect. We're not a food chain. We're not somebody that's just going around popping these up all over and trying to just copy and paste. We put a lot of heart and a lot of effort into what we do. So those are some of the things that make a little bit of a difference when it comes to choosing All In Meals.
All right, so when we left Chipotle, I had no idea of really the total amount of calories that were in my food. We were looking for something that would give us that, and we both agreed that the best way to do it is to either make it yourself or go through a company like Hamilton's All In Meals, where everything has labels on it, so you know exactly what you're getting. So this would be something very similar to what I would have got at Chipotle. It's their beef burrito bowl. There's 544 calories, 47 grams of protein, so much more than the 3 ounces that I got at Chipotle. 51 grams of carbs, which for me is perfect. This actually, almost to the T, hits my exact macros that I would eat for the meal that I have coming up. So without doing any guesswork, I could spend almost the exact same amount of money and know exactly what's going into my food, and I don't have to prep this, and it fits everything I need. So for somebody that's a little bit further down the line and it's more than I just want to make progress and eat whole foods to get there, you're going to get to a certain point where you have to know what you're eating. And for me and a lot of people, doing something like this gives you all of those options.
Would you say for the average everyday person that if they were to eat 3 to 4 meals of these a day, anything on the menu, choose a regular size, maybe a couple leans, would they probably hit a lot of health goals that they're looking for, a lot of weight loss goals that they're looking for? At least maybe they're not going to get stage ready like you were just a couple weeks ago, but would you say overall they go on a doctor visit and say you're looking a lot better when it comes to your weight?
So I actually have a funny story about that. I worked with a client who had the ability to order All In Meals. He did not want to cook. He didn't want to prep his own food. So I said, hey, there's a local meal prep service. Let's just get you set up with eating whole foods to start. And he was eating 3 All In Meals a day. That was it. I said, pick a breakfast, pick a lunch, pick a dinner, and he would rotate them. 4.5 months, he was 35 pounds down. So yes, not only does eating whole foods work, but when you have a company that's doing it for you and you know exactly what's in your food, it makes it that much easier.
Portion control at the end of the game.
Well, I would also challenge people to finish all of these.
Yeah, my wife, a lot of times, my wife will order an athlete meal from them, so she can divide it into 2 meals because it's only a couple dollars more, and she's got 2 meals. Or most of the regular size ones for her are plenty, and she'll even split some of those.
Well, I find clients when they're first like getting started and they just start to track their nutrition, they might get like 60 to 90 grams of protein for the entire day. So they're eating under, it's crazy, and they're wondering why they're snacking all the time. Versus if you just had like 3 square meals, like I don't think a lot of people when they start actually eating the right amount of protein can actually finish these. So then I have a meal and a snack all in one. I never had to prep it. I didn't have to go into the break room and like stare at the Doritos and try to say no to them or anything like that. And like, I mean, it just simplifies everything if you have it all ready to go. I would also say, we talk a lot about like breaking up the all or nothing mindset, and a lot of people will say like, oh, well, I can't afford to eat like this all the time. I find so much value of people just like, let's take care of your lunches.
Yeah, that's kind of
let's take care of your breakfast. Like that's it. Like
just take care of one of your meals.
Yeah,
exactly. Or if you know you have a busy week and you've got, you know, evening things that you know, like the evening things are probably not going to fit your macros or not going to fit your health goals. Like let's buy your dinners for the week or for that busy time, and then you know you don't have to think about anything else.
And I actually order from them, and usually when I do the bulk of my ordering is when we're getting ready to go on a trip somewhere, and I know that I'm not going to be back in time to prep my food, because usually you go on vacation, come back on Sunday, and you're just trying to decompress. You're trying to get everything back in order, get ready for the week. And so my 2 options are either spend the money to just have the food readily available, or spend the money and even more time, which is then going to cost me somewhere else to stay up later to make the food.
Yeah, like this is insane. Like this is 600 calories, 62 grams of protein, and 14 grams of fat. There's nowhere you could eat out and get that low of fat and that high of protein.
Well, and our Chipotle bill was how much?
$22 or something like that.
What's the cost on average about 2 meals?
So you're looking at about 13 to 13 and a half per meal. So quick math on that's about
26, 27. So for a couple dollars more, we could
more
have
than
saved
half the amount of protein more.
Yeah, we could have saved a trip, got more food.
Yeah.
Know exactly what's in the food that we're eating.
There's a lot more variety than just going to any restaurant. We've got a lot of options.
What's your range for delivery?
We deliver now almost everywhere. So from Vancouver down to Springfield.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and everywhere in between. We just opened up Newburgh, and we just opened up Vancouver recently. So
which my mom's super excited about because she's been having to drive to the Clackamas West Coast
we
train.
get that a lot. Yeah, people utilize the pickup locations. If you don't have a delivery availability zip code, then just utilize the pickup locations. It's for free because we know you're taking the time to take the trip out there.
Well, and the good thing is I know a lot of your pickup locations are at like local gyms. So not only are you supporting a local company by going through you guys,
might as well work out.
But even if not, you don't have to be a member. Like you can go to a local gym, you just walk in, they have a fridge that has all of their stuff plastered on it. You open the door, grab the bag with your name on it, and you walk out, and it's very simple. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
How do you guys recommend getting started? Like, again, people don't need to like buy every meal for the next week, but how do you recommend getting started? Is there a couple favorites? Go online, check out the menu. What's the best way to get started with you guys?
You want to take that?
Yeah, so the best way to get started, like Ali said from the beginning, you don't have to supplement every meal. You don't even have to supplement 2 or 3 meals. Just start with 1 meal a day, so maybe 5 meals a week to cover one of your meals throughout the day. That's the easiest way to get started. They have such a big variety, whether you're into Asian-inspired dishes, fish, pastas. There's so many different options. Mexican, it's, tons of different cuisine options, and each one is very good. A few of my favorites, Hamilton actually dropped off. One is the creamy chicken lemon parm.
It's crazy good macros for that.
Yeah, and that was the one that Ali hit the macros on. The other one is this huli chicken bowl. I could honestly eat this probably every day. The macros on this guy, 596 calories, 44 grams of protein, 71 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of fat. Like again, for $13, like
so
you go to, Hawaiian time?
Yeah.
You're spending $18 to $19 and not getting this much food, nor the quality of this food.
And I know there's always the argument of like, well, I'm going to go there and I'm going to get a lot more food. Look, if your goal is to eat as much as humanly possible, we're not a buffet. That's not what we specialize in. It takes a lot of work to also portion these out. So that's kind of if you say like, well, I'm looking at like a lot more food. You know, if you go to a restaurant or if you go to, especially let's say like a Hawaiian place, it's just piling food on there. There's no thought given to it. So we're taking the time to actually strategically measure out every meal. And truthfully, we do the very best that we can to make sure that we're pricing these as affordable as possible.
And I can attest to that. So I use a lot of these while I'm on prep. And one of the things that they also offer is bulk proteins, bulk veggies, and bulk carbs. I got one that was just rice. I just needed some rice, and the macros for the rice were 50 grams per serving, 2 servings in a container. I literally measured it out because I had to, and lo and behold, there was 500 grams to the T in there that I was able to portion out 250, 250, and it made exactly what I needed for each meal.
So you're checking his math, and it worked out all right.
The math was mathing.
Yeah, great. Do you guys also have the sauces too?
What's
that you can buy in bulk?
Yeah, we do have some sauces. We're gonna, there's a couple of expansions that we're gonna do. One is we're gonna make more of the sauces available in bottles because people are just eating it up. The second is we're gonna come out with more snack and dessert style dishes. First and foremost, we're a health food company, so desserts isn't the first thing on our mind. That being said, we do our best to try and give you healthier alternatives. I say healthier, not healthy. So we've got a couple fun things coming out, a couple cheesecakes and pies, brownie. They're going to be a lot better. If you're going to snack, if you're going to cheat,
minimize damage.
Minimize the damage and live a little, but do it responsibly is kind of how I say it.
All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to follow on all social media. We'll have it all linked below. Make sure you subscribe, like this video on YouTube. Where else can they find you guys?
Yeah, so you can find me at nxtlevel-training.com or dgrow39 on Instagram.
allinmeals.com.
All right, so Hamilton, if the people want to get started, how do they do it?
Yeah, just go to allinmeals.com. Take advantage of that first timer discount. We'll get you 25% off just to give us a shot.